Greetings, fabulous Ficket teachers. This is Miss McCrary coming with the short ELA update on Freckle. I would like to see ELA increase its usage. So let me show you how dynamic Freckle is in ELA. So I'm going to chime into Miss Wheat's Freckle account, and I'm just going to assign an assignment for the current standard she's working on. So I'm going to go to ELA. I'm going to click add an assignment, click ELA. I'm going to practice the ELA skills, which are short reading passages that build skill proficiency. So they'll be working in that particular skill. So I can go down and I'm going to choose both of her classes because I want all students to complete the assignment. Then I have two options. I can let them work at their adaptive level, which they practice at their own, which we know sometime within a class period they do need to read text at their own level. And then we have targeted, which is on their level. So what I did was I assigned an adaptive task, and now I'm going to assign a targeted task to that same group. So then I'm going to click 4th grade. And now as the math specialist, instructional coach, I'm not sure which standard. So I'm just going to chime in, go to Ms. Wheat's lesson plans for next week. And I see that they're working on RL1. So it is explaining text explicitly. So I'm going to go back to my Freckle account. I see that RL1 is right here for explicit information. So that's going to be the standard that I choose. Then I decide if I want them to work on all the skills or just one of the skills. So I'm just going to put tech support and inferences. Let's see, maybe this one would be better. The explanation information, explicit information. So I'm going to assign immediately. And then you can put it in Remind if you're using Remind. And then I click Got It. And voila, I have two online assignments that students can complete within their 30-minute ELA requirement on Freckle. So when they complete their assignment, I click here and I'll be able to see their grade, and I'll be able to see the questions that they had and the answers. So here's a little short passage that they're complete. And then the question says, which details from the text describes how Hong Soo Yi suffered? So obviously to choose this answer, they got to go back and find evidence in the text to support. This is awesome. And this is definitely will build their stamina and have them work within their grade level and above or below. It depends on their adaptive level. So please, ELA teachers, check out this wonderful, and that's just one way you can use ELA. I am free to assist in any way. Thank you for joining.